Now, I will be discussing the second C6 principles of the best practices in security operations to be adopted by any security personnel. So, nabanggit natin na yung number 2 is communication. Again, may lumang kasabihan na sinasabing, or to quote, communication is the key. Ito daw yung susi ng lahat, no, sa loob ng trabaho, profession o workplace. Actually, this is also a critical skill for any security guard because no guard can be effective without the ability to communicate with fellow guards and the other personnel within the company they are assigned to protect. So, in other words, communication serves as a bridge between guards at the post and the people around them. Lahat ng nakapalibot sa kanila nung magsisilbing tulay. Diba? Which enable timely access to important information about ongoing events, changes, or any kind of operational instruction. So, malinaw, that is how important communication is. And in real-world settings, guards use various kinds of communication methods at their post, all of which must comply with the existing protocols and systems in the workplace. So, napakaraming paraan, no? Either non-verbal or verbal, di ba? Sa pamamagitan ng direktang pakikipag-usap, pagsulat, di ba? Paggamit ng mga communication gadget, and so on and so forth. Ultimately, pag ikaw ay worker or security guard, is kailangan mo talaga itong communication, no, which is the number 2, no, of the C6 principles na sinasabi natin.